Top news headlines. CM says Niti Aayog adopted as SECC data now. Opposition MLA Oibobi says budget 2020 risky. And High Court directs government not to acquire land of National Highway 102 through direct purchase. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren today said that Niti Aayog is now adopted as Socio-Economic Caste Census SECC data and that efforts are on to conduct a survey on the number of families which were earlier included under below poverty line BPL. Replying to a query from opposition MLA K. Ranjit in the House, Chief Minister N. Biren said that under this SECC data, 14 central sponsored schemes have been implemented in the state besides CMHT, Sotharaba Singitengbang or scheme for underprivileged and school Phagathansi mission to enhance the living standard of around 123 lakh BPL families in the state. Opposition leader Oibobi today told the Manipur Assembly that 2020-21 state budget is risky. Chief Minister N. Biren, who is also in charge of Finance Portfolio, tabled the Manipur Appropriation No. 2 bill in the House for its passes. Oibobi, along with MLAs K. Ranjit, Dr. Chaltolian Amo, T.H. Lokeswar, A.K. Mirabai, Mohammad Abdul Nasir, K.H. Joykisan, and R.K. Imo moved cut motion against the bill amounting to Rs 21,224 crore. Oibobi claimed that this year's budget is in paper only, which cannot be implemented. The former chief minister said that even though the central share in the budget is clear, the state share is not. Manipur Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantikumar today informed the House that 5 primary health sub-centers PHSCs in the state under Manipur Family Welfare Department are running without any staff now. Replying to a question from Tipaimuk MLA Dr. Chaltolian Amo, during question hour, Minister Jayantikumar informed that the state currently has 18 community health centers, CHCs. However, these CHCs do not have sufficient staff. In a separate question raised by Khangabog MLA Okram Surajkumar Minister Jayantikumar, who is also the Art and Culture Minister, said the Center for Culture and Moving Images at Ukrul Ringui village is targeted to be completed by September 2022. He said the estimated cost of the project is Rs 65.21 crore. Ringui village has donated around 5 acres of land for the project and there is plan for expansion of the proposed site, the minister further informed. On the last day of the state budget session today, opposition Congress MLA K. Ranjit urged Chief Minister N. Biren and the concerned government to take steps for clearing 12-month salaries of around 28 engagement staffers of Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation. The Sugnu MLA mentioned that the Directorate has been working for development of languages and scripts. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, who is also in charge of Finance Portfolio today, tabled a medium-term fiscal policy statement, fiscal policy strategy statement, and macroeconomic statement and disclosure in the Assembly. Meanwhile, the House today passed the Salaries and Allowances of Minister, Manipur 13 Amendment Bill 2020, Bill No. 9 of 2020, and Salaries and Allowance of Members of the Legislative Assembly Manipur 21st Amendment Bill 2020, Bill No. 8 of 2020, which were tabled by N. Biren. The High Court of Manipur directed state government not to acquire land of National Highway 102 from southern side of Lilong Bridge to Bodam Bridge, Moray for road expansion or construction through direct purchase. If the state government requires the land, then it should initiate the process of land acquisition under the provision of Land Acquisition Act 2013, the court said. A single bench of High Court of Manipur, Justice K.H. Nobin, yesterday gave the direction. The judgment order also mentioned that the lands of petitioners who file petitions before the High Court shall not be disturbed by anyone, including the state government, in any manner from the possession of their respective lands, except in accordance with Land Acquisition Act 2013. And state government can proceed with land acquisition through direct purchase from the willing patadars only, the court said. It may be mentioned that during the course of hearing, Additional Advocate General appearing for state had produced a copy addressing that total number of patadars affected by National Highway 102 within jurisdiction of Thoubal district is 1,268, out of which the numbers of patadars whose land are in process of executing sale deed is 150, and the number of patadars who have shown willingness but have filed application to rectify certain anomalies are 338. Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness. Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakraba well-qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee rupees 500 only. Monthly fee rupees 500 only. 1 year rupees 4,500. 6 months rupees 2,400. 3 months rupees 1,300. February thagi oinadi admission fee logjaroi. Pollution free location oiraba amadi tha ahum khudingi free health checkup ki khudong chabsu pijari. Ngasi maglengsin biro Lions Gym Health and Fitness. Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi Pukri Mapal. Contact number 7005687478. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Welcome back after the break. The 13th Regional Saras Fair has kicked off today at Hapta Kangjibung, Imphal. The 10-day-long fair is jointly organized by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, MSRLM, Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Government of Manipur. 100 stalls have been put up at the venue. At the opening function, Rural Development Panchayati Raj Minister T.H. Biswajit said that the biggest issue the state is facing currently is unemployment. He maintained that the state is depending on other states for any essential commodity and it shows that we are not working too hard. He added that the stall owners at the fair are all trained under self-help groups and self-help groups from Technopole district are also taking part in the fair.
Every time, everywhere we are there for you. Government is always in the mood to support you. And other minister Sarkar Paiva Katana Queen, I don't have you walk and convigano. Other Quadi Hungary Hanabakan Bible says in a party I did Panamani, Honaba candidacy, Honaminacy.
A team of Manipuri diaspora from Assam Silchar, led by Chairman of Joint Action Committee for Safeguard of Indigenous Manipuri People Silchar, Dr. K. Chan Singh, today arrived in Imphal to meet Chief Minister and Bireen Singh. The team will discuss with the Chief Minister on key issues faced by Manipuris living in Assam during the visit. Talking to reporters, Committee Chairman Dr. K. Chan Singh said that the team will have a discussion with CM Bireen on Clause 6 of Assam Accord and apprise him of the issues faced by Meiteis in Assam. He added that they have already requested the concerned authority to set up a dedicated cell for Meitei community in Assam. Dr. Chan also said that it is very difficult for Manipuris in Assam to find a job due to certain issues like language, lack of elected Meitei representatives in Assam Assembly. Committee member A. Nandababu Singh expressed hope that the meeting with Chief Minister later this evening will bring positive outcome. He also expressed desire for building a Manipur house in Silchar. A Meitei Pangal residing in Delhi's Chirag reportedly received that threat from mainland Indians with racist comments. According to our correspondent, the complaint found the threat not at his front door. Meanwhile, in view of the violence in Delhi, Manipur Student Association Delhi, Masad, has provided helpline number in different areas of capital city. The numbers are 9971771102 for North Delhi, 8974296726 for South Delhi. The helpline number for Northeast Delhi is 935404 9099 and 8553376 for JNU. Meanwhile, the Delhi court has directed the police to register FIR against any individual for making inflammatory speech or remarks. Masad President Chinkai Saikom said that regarding the death threat to Meitei Pangal, a complaint letter has been submitted to Nodal Officer, Northeast Cell, Delhi. Chinkai condemned the incident. He said that people from the Northeast are facing racial attack and discrimination in Delhi on daily basis. He further urged the concerned authority to look into the matter.
Pangal or Meitei si sipunmukta singna buni haina lowi asi makhatana akoi da tholak oi haningai zo leite aduna akoi leiba Manipur leiba miyam adi lengak oirabasu masigi matang da akoi leiba akoi mayam sigi sep oibagi sep oinabagi namukta kari toba yabagi haibadu akoi lengak na su miyeng sanghanningi adi leiba se leiba loop mayam na su sigi matang su miyeng sanghanningi akoi masat ki oina su ngasi haiba thodokski hek pau akoi phangmadagi akoi written complaint amka akoi gi nodal officer Northeast Cell Delhi da complaint amka tawjakre atop individual level da kisum koina adum pau je dum report adum tawgre habasum tajai.
Life was limping back to normalcy in some parts of the riot-hit Northeast Delhi, with police and paramilitary personnel maintaining strict vigil in view of the Friday prayers at mosques. Police officers said they were also making extra efforts to quell rumors and holding regular flag marches and interactions in the neighborhoods of affected areas as confidence-building measures, a media report said. In some areas of Northeast Delhi, signs of normal life were witnessed with opening of shops. In violence-hit areas also, shops in streets and bylanes were open. Nearly 7,000 paramilitary forces have been deployed in the affected areas of the Northeast district since Monday. Besides, hundreds of Delhi police personnel are on the ground to maintain peace and prevent any untoward incident. At least 38 were killed and other 200 injured in the communal clashes that broke out in Northeast Delhi on Monday after violence between citizenship law supporters and protesters spiraled out of control. The areas affected include Jafrabad, Mojpur, Chandbagh, Kureji Khas and Vajanpura. The Union Home Ministry's head said on Thursday night that no major incident was reported from the Northeast district in the past 36 hours. It had said that prohibitory orders imposed under Section 144 would be relaxed for 10 hours in view of the improvement in the situation. Heritage Convent Uripok has included Manipuri martial arts Thangta as one of the optional subjects in its syllabus today. Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society Kimax has been demanding inclusion of Thangta in school syllabus since 2003. With a vision to preserve and promote this age-old martial arts form, a blessing-seeking ceremony was held today at Heritage Convent campus. Kimax Publicity Secretary Thangjam Suraj Meitei appreciated the school authority for adopting Thangta as an optional subject of the school. He also urged the masses to support Kimax in its mission to preserve Thangta.
Tongan school jing, private school jing, government gi aided school jing sina Thangta sibu akoi optional subject wena tammada puning thogot piyo amadi mayam punna wana minara kanda Kimax ka tanaraga school singda isa ki school jingda Thangta haiba subject ase hangtok pada mateng pangbiu haibjum tang ai thamjage.
Protesting against scarcity of water and other shortages, irate residents of Saidan village in Churachandpur district today turned an irrigation canal into road. They are angry at alleged long-time government negligence. The construction of Khuga Dam began in 1983 and was inaugurated in 2010 by Congress President Sonia Gandhi. Notably, Rajya Sabha MP Mary Kom had also announced to make Saidan village a model village under SAGY program.
Tra hilekashu ising si suglak lakte masi kanala si kungi manung disida asumay na lerega amot pamajam adum thambasi yamna nungate hairaga kungi village authority singna miyam ga tanaraga masi kanala si fill up tonanaba Ekoi Government of Manipur, Honorable Chief Minister, PWD, Water Resource Department da, ekoi na memorandum last year the superior July pa ba ultimatum government da piriga kaya mata government da ki reply ekoi phangde adugi maram na khun gi mi gi initiative da masi kanala si ekoi na fill up to bani.
Manipur University organized a National Science Day at Library Conference Hall of the university under the theme Women in Science. A book titled Minds on Fire, written by Professor Debananda S. Ningtojam, was also released at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Professor Debananda said that the day is observed to commemorate the day C.V. Raman introduced the Raman effect, aiding that this year's theme encourages women in the field of science. Debananda said only 40 women have so far received the Nobel Prize in Science and urged for encouraging women so that they continue to grow with career growth even after marriage.
University da tongan ba organization da science ka mari lina organization da nupi da equal opportunity piba Raman effect puthokki ba February 19 gi numit sibu ningsingaga akoina Raman bu honor tawduna sei khudingi National Science Day si sei khudingi anoba theme ga loinana pangthokpani miyam gi seva si IAS oiba ngatana tawbuna teba scientist orga chu seva tawbi ai Minds on Fire ko ba sina lyrics gi main title ne subtitle am su yawi lyrics da Tragic Lives of Scientists, Artists and Writers.
Science Unit of Journal Education Office, JDO Zone 2, Imphal East District today organized a district-level National Science Day 2020 at Wangkai High School. The theme of the event was Women in Science. Imphal East District Journal Education Officer M. Prem Chandra Singh and head mistress of the school, Ranjita Rajkumari, attended the function. Professor of Manipur University Physics Department, Saugaijam Dorendrajit, spoke during the program as a resource person. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumza lising amachapan marifom do ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ina lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center mahangjare TV amadi phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fum na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al kuding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklenshin directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable loidaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badom gi khangna chana ba single powers tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road, Pogay Sangam Lekay, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 60-009-54159.
Adongi angang na school da kari tauri, ozana kari takpiri, yum da giyama di office tagi yam na line live class yeng biyaraba status agi ahan ba school and day care, tiny fit ki oina admission hogzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure, healthy breakfast and lunch at school, highly qualified and caring staff. Creative activities and educational games, interactive learning through music and movement, 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject of tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare, form pishin bagi aroiba matam February kun. Ako pamarol gidamak lengsun biraksi, Marks Time Classes. Wangkai Mahobom Lampak, phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back after the break. The Department of Education as Science Unit Government of Manipur today observed the National Science Day 2020 on the theme Women in Science at Residential School, Lamboy Kongnangkong, Imphal. As part of the function, a quiz competition was organized wherein students from private and government-run school participated. Nimlabas High School, Imphal won the competition. With an aim to prevent unwanted incidents during Yaosang Festival, women activists from 20 different women organizations of Manipur today appealed to everyone to ensure a peaceful festival. The women groups also urged the people, particularly girls, to stop practice of road obstruction for collection of donation for Yaosang. During a press meet at the Office of Women Against Crime (WAC), Kanchipur Organization Advisor Saubam Sobita cautioned that crime against women should be curbed during the festival. She also suggested that girls must be careful about their dress and stop from moving during nighttime during the festival.
Women Against Crime na sindu na ngasi organization asida koi gi Kanchipura laibo office asida koi gi nupi lokon mukaloy na koi na ngasi yausangda crime thok na bagi damakta sinjalangjariba asida lairiba laibak sigi nusijaraba miyam singda yausanggi yaifa paujel pijabaga loinana asigumba crime asi tholak tanabagi damakta akoigi yausangda siksin thaurang oina akoina lokhasariba sing asida akoibu sahajok pibiduna amadi jebao phangba phangdaba thidana punamakna thaudang asi lominarasi haiduna koi nupi lupsingi mafamda akoina noluksabaga loinana akoina miyamda paujel se thamjari.
Dr. Thongnaujam Leimaton Chanu conducted a free dental checkup program today at Highway English School, Chandrapur, Jirbang. Students from class 1 to class 8 were given free dental checkup for common ailments like tooth decay and gum diseases. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Thongnaujam Leimaton Chanu said that she organized a program for the students as part of her thesis project on oral health status comparison between the private and government schools in municipal areas. Technopole District Deputy Commissioner M. Rajkumar today inspected coronavirus screening checkpoints at More. Subdivisional Officer More, Irengwam Dnes Kumar, and a team of doctors from More Hospital accompanied him during the inspection visit. M. Rajkumar urged the duty officer at the gates to maintain vigil. Three Myanmar nationals were handed over to Myanmar immigration officials today as they completed jail term of 2 years. They were Pao Ngai Sen, aged 40 years, Lal Dia Khai, aged 34 years, Swan and Jam Gomang, aged 42 years. They hailed from Wang Tay village, Jin state of Tidim district, Myanmar. They were arrested while entering Manipur border through Mizoram without valid documents 2 years back. Mainland China had 327 new confirmed cases of coronavirus infection yesterday, the country's National Health Commission said on Friday, down from 433 cases a day earlier. That brings the total accumulated numbers of confirmed cases in mainland China so far to 78,824 as per a media report. The death toll from the outbreak in mainland China reached 2,788 as of the end of Thursday, up by 44 from the previous day. The central province of Hubei, the epicenter of the outbreak, reported 41 new deaths, while in the provincial capital of Wuhan, 28 people died. A Manipuri short film P, The Umbrella, directed by Rakesh Murangtham, has been nominated for Chalchitaram National Film Festival 2020. The award ceremony will be held on March 6 to 8 at Jyoti Chitrabon Film Studio, Guwahati. The short film was a winner at 7 Brahmaputra Valley Film Festival 2019. P, The Umbrella was screened at Global Hornbill International Film Festival 2019, Kohima, Nagaland, and was an official selection for John Abraham International Short Film Festival 2019, Kozhikode, Meyer, Media International Short Film Festival Pune 2020, Clubby Online Mini Movie Festival 2019, Pune and 3rd Chitra Bharati Film Festival 2020, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Angry members of civil society residents of Uchathol, Harinagar and Aglapur and club members have locked the 50-bedded Jiri hospital this morning in protest. The residents blamed the chief medical officer for being an incompetent leader in operating the hospital. It may be mentioned that the residents have to go to the neighboring Assam for treatment since the hospital does not have basic infrastructures. The protesters demonstrated in front of the hospital and shouted slogans. Placards that read "Failure of Hospital Administration, Remove CMO, We want regular CMO, We want working MS office in hospital premises, No free ambulance for maternity service, No specialist doctor in the hospital" were held by the demonstrators. A team of Jiri police rushed to the site to control the protesters.
Doctor na somta thau sabi de mai som bam loi mammi adu mathak ta seme mo sia sindok piro akoi parjana ma se sungja jadre ama thuna thu bam tam da sindok piro akoi gi doctor ma pham je amtang doctor su mayam phuloi na thambiu adu ga seme mo su sindok piu.
Now we have the sports news. Arsenal suffered a shock Europa League exit to Olympiacos Piraeus in 2-1 extra-time home defeat, while Manchester United and Wolverhampton Wanderers cruised into a last 16 with emphatic aggregate wins the previous day. As per reports, Manchester United bridged to a 6-1 aggregate win over 10-man Brugge after a 5-0 return leg rout of Belgians at Old Trafford, while Wolves advanced with a 6-3 overall victory against Ipswich despite a 3-2 second leg defeat in Spain. The International Olympic Committee is committed to holding the 2020 Games in Tokyo as planned despite the widening new coronavirus outbreak President had pledged. The IOC is fully committed to a successful Olympic Games in Tokyo starting July 24, as per a report. Japan has so far seen 4 deaths related to virus among nearly 200 known infections. Some 700 infections were also detected among about 3,700 passengers and crew on a cruise ship that was moored off Japan after one of its former passengers tested positive. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. CM says Niti Aayog adopted as SECC data now. Opposition MLA Oibobi says budget 2020 risky. And High Court directs government not to acquire land of National Highway 102 through direct purchase. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.